Hi everyone, here's my 2006 BMW 330i. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace air filter. The air filter box is located right here. I'm going to use my new Dewalt tools and Panasonic 4K camcorders for this video. Okay, let's get started. In order to take out the air filter box, you need to remove 3 connections. First one, the 2 screws. The second one is here. The third one is underneath there. Let's take a close look at the third connection. There are two parts of it. You see the metal thing? This is the one part. And on top of it, there's a cable connection. That's right there. See it? Second connection is right here. This one is the most easy one to remove. It's just 2 plastic clips. Here are all the tools you need for the job, including my favorite Dewalt impact driver I bought from Amazon. Of course, you can also just use a regular screwdriver. Okay, let's remove these 2 screws first. And the second connection, we removed it just like this. And just gently loosen it a little bit. And it's the last connection, the third connection, which is the most difficult one. You can use a flat screwdriver to unclip it and then push the cable away. Then remove this metal connection, loosen it, use a screwdriver. Right, you can take it out now. Okay, it's showtime of my favorite tool, the Dewalt 20 volts half-inch impact driver. It's very dirty, isn't it? This is the only piece you will need to replace. This is a new filter. I bought it also from Amazon. You can check the web link in the description area. It cost me about $23. You just put it in like this. Press a little bit. Now is the time to put it back. Insert cable like this, and then tighten the screw. The second connection is easy, just put it in. And the last 2 screws, tighten them. That's it. Thanks for watching.